Hey YouTube. Hey, 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 I'm about to get ready to do my mom's hair. I'm about to do a crochet style called this is the style that I'm about to do by Freetress braid shake and go. And this is the style 12-inch for $5.99. So I'm about to do this style on my mother. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, and keep watching to see how it turns out. All right, guys, so like I said, I'm about to get ready to do this crochet style. I'm pretty sure she is not going to like it. My mom is a type of lady that wears nothing but roller wraps, body styles, and she don't wear weave a lot or extra hair. She's always wearing her hair. So she's going to the beach next week, and she actually told me about this style, so I'm going to do this for her, but I'm pretty sure she's not going to like it. Alright, so as you saw, I did put some moisturizer on her hair. I used some leave-in conditioner. And so now I'm about to braid it. And I will be back to show you clips of how I am braiding it. So I'll be back. Alright, so here are a few clips of how I braided her hair. So here's the back, the side, braided it up, and there's the other side, and then there's the front. So yeah, that is how I braided it. Alright, so now you see me about to grease her scalp with that good old Blue Magic. So I'm just gonna grease her scalp, and then we'll get started putting in the hair. Alright, so I'm just kind of pulling through that hair to make sure I don't get any frizziness when I pull it apart, because I am going to pull it apart so it won't be so thick, because like I said, she don't really like a lot of big hair for real. But with this hair, it's going to be kind of big, but I'm just going to split it all the way through.